Welcome back. Now, when we are still in the Slide Master, we can change the theme of the entire look of our presentation by changing this panel and using one of the themes that we have available to us. And you'll recognize these themes from the Design section. So if we change the master slide, what we can do is we can change it to one of the themes that we have available. Now we can even edit this part of the slide by going to the background styles and then clicking formatting the background. We can fill with a pattern or we can fill with gradient. We can also fill with a solid fill. Now if we don't like any of the changes that we've made, all we'll need to do is to go to our undo arrow at the top. We'll go all the way down and undo the last 4 actions. That'll bring us back to this master slide, and all of our slides will then be the Office theme again. And we can change the font of our entire presentation. We can change it to a different style. That style will then exist throughout our entire presentation. We can edit that style by going to this font area, and then we can change the color in the master slide so that it will exist throughout our entire presentation. And you'll notice now that all of the other slide types have changed to this color. If we want to change the content, we can do that. Once again, we can right-click that content. We can change the font color to be the same throughout our entire body. And you'll notice now that the titles are all one color and that the content is all going to be one color. Now, one of the other things you can do is you can come over to the text options. You can highlight your text, and you can make more changes based on some of the options being given to you. So for example, we can change some of the text effects. We can make them more transparent or less transparent. We can size them up or size them down. You can change the angle. We can also change the fill pattern. We can change this to a gradient fill. We can change it to solid fill. We can have no fill. For your text outline, you can use a solid line or you can use a gradient line. Basically, you have ultimate control over how you want your slide to appear throughout your entire presentation. So you should now be able to use the Slide Master view to change the nature of your presentation throughout the entire document by using the Slide Master view. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.